recover Snapchat account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can recover your Snapchat account. So if you want to recover your Snapchat account, which is possible if you have lost access due to forgetting your password or your account has been locked. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you recover your Snapchat account. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you have launched, you have to go for the switch account or login account. And here on your username, you have to type your username. So if you have forgot your password and you can't remember your password, you have to tap on the forget your password. And here you will be prompted to choose how you want to reset your password. If you have phone number linked into your account, you have to select this through your phone number. So the verification code will be sent with your SMS. So if you prefer, select the option of email and the Snapchat will send a password reset link to your registered email. So just choose your platform here and you have to just go for the send confirmation code. Once you are here, if you choose the SMS, you have to enter the verification code you receive. If you choose the email, you have to click on the link in the email to reset your password. After that, you have to provide your email name here and go for the submit option to reset your password here. And so the verification link will, so here you can see that they sent you a verification email. So just go here and tap that link and go for your Chrome. So here you can visit to the Snapchat support page. After that, you have to write your new password and then you can confirm your new password like this here. After that, you have to just go for the save option here. And here you can see that the password has been saved. Just go for the continue option here. And after that, you will be successfully logged into your Snapchat account. And you have to write your username first of all here. After writing your username, you have to just go for the next option. And you have to just go back. Once you are here, you have to just tap on your, you have to completely close off your Snapchat and go for your account. And just go and switch account here and write your username. And after that, you have to write the password. You will be successfully recover your Snapchat account. With the help of this simple step, you can easily recover your Snapchat account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.